Shit, come on. Damn, this nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real, homie. Damn, this motherfucker got robo-roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
Man, you gotta grind to keep that shit. Now it's back on us.
Hell yeah, I want to see what it do. Hey, hit me on the speakerphone, Law.
Oh, it's like that? For sure, homie.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
All right. Hey, look out for yourself, dog. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good.
Ha ha, loco! Any ticket we get gon' go on that fool license.
Well, in that case, we might as well enjoy ourselves.
We going right.
What? I hear you.
Hang 'em right there.
Uh-huh.
Let's show these movie people how we roll.
Hey, watch out! Oh, we filming shit here, huh? Get off the road!
Come on, Frank.
If you want to chunk them things,
I'm thinking left.
yeah, whatever you say.
Oh, shit!
Man, shit!
Left here.
Shit, cool, homie.
Woo! You wanna get whips like this, you gotta stay on your gridiron.
Nigga into some time over nickels and dimes? I stick to repos, dog. Man, sorry about that.
Suspect located. In pursuit.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. You are all the same. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie? This chump change, how I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat piece-occy?
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise, with all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Nah, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
The fuck was... Fucking cocksucker! Man, shit, it's good to be home.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you, I'll see.